Alright guys, today we're digging into a platform that's been making noise in the futures trading scene, but still somehow isn't on most people's radar. It's called KCEX, and yeah, it's one of those if you know exchanges. Whether you are flipping meme coins, grading futures, or just sick of paying ridiculous trading fees, KCEX might be your next move. Let's break it down. So what is KCEX? So KCEX, launched in 2021, is a centralized exchange and it has over 1 million users and already giving trading services more than in a dozen countries. They are clearly scaling up fast, but what's interesting is how they're positioning themselves. KCEX isn't trying to be Binance 2.0. Instead, it's building a lean, hyper-focused platform, great trading engine, low fees, no fluff. So first impression, the UI is clean, like surprisingly polished. Whether you are a beginner or someone who trades all day, you will feel at home. It's snappy, minimal, and customizable. You have got access to both spot and future market. The spot section is basic, but in a good way. Easy buys, sells, and order types like limit, market, and stop limit. Then there is futures, and that's where KCEX shines. On KCEX, you can trade USDT margin perpetual contracts with leverage up to 100x. That's a big number, and yeah, use it with caution. You have got isolated and cross-margin options. Risk management tools are built also in. And the order book, super responsive even when the market gets volatile. It also integrates trading view charts, which means you can get real-time indicators, overlays, drawing tools, basically the stuff serious traders live on. Now let's talk money. KCEX offers something that's becoming rare: zero spot trading fees, both maker and taker. For future, it's 0% maker and 0.01% taker. That's lower than Bybit, lower than KuCoin, and if you are scalping or running bots, that can save you a ton over time. Liquidity-wise, it's solid. Not quite Binance level, but it didn't experience any slippage issues even when testing mid-size orders. They have got over 670 tokens listed for spot trading. So yeah, the majors like BTC, Ethereum, Sol, and meme favors like Doge, Pepe, and Shiba. For futures, the section is tighter but focused. Only the most liquid pairs, so you don't get caught in thin market. Also, KCEX has mobile app for both iOS and Android, and honestly, they are some of the cleanest I have used. You can chart, trade, manage, order, even get real-time alerts. If you are someone who trades on the go, it won't slow you down. It's not bloated, just smooth. So KCEX users 2FA cold storage for assets and encrypted API keys. They also have regulatory registration in the US and Canada for KYC AML compliances, even if users in those countries can currently trade. It's not DeFi, but it's also not sketchy. That's middle ground getting rare these days. So KCEX is also generous with bonuses. New users can get amazing trading rewards, and they have got this cool reward center with daily tasks, achievements, and competitions. And if you bring your friends on board, their referral program lets you earn a cut of their trading fees passively. I think this is super amazing. KCEX is giving Bybit level performance with lower fees and smaller community, which honestly is kinda nice. If you are trading regularly and tired of platform bloat or expensive fees, it's worth testing out. I'll drop you a link below if you want to sign up and grab those welcome rewards. And hey, if you want a step-by-step tutorial, comment KCEX tutorial down below and I'll make it happen. So yeah guys, smash that like button, subscribe if you are new here, and I'll catch you in the next video.